What if harvesting honey could take minutes instead of hours? In the same time it would take to cook a bit of toast, you could have fresh honey from your beehive in just only a few minutes. I'm Simon, a firefighter and beekeeper from Melbourne in Australia. I started beekeeping as a hobby and I love to do this because of the benefit it has for my garden and also the fact that I get to have a little bit of honey from them every now and again. But when it came to harvesting honey, it was just so exhausting. It was heavy, it was sticky, it was a mess, and it was very time consuming. And to be honest, I just didn't enjoy doing it. And I also knew that it wasn't great for the bees, the amount of disruption and effort they had to go to recover from harvesting such a large amount of honey. So I just knew there had to be a better way. And that's why I created the Hivekeepers micro honey harvest system. So with our specially designed frames, the bees use these just like normal. They fill that with honey. And when they're ready, even if there's only a few cassettes ready, you can take the frame out of the hive, remove the cassettes easily, slot into our honey harvester, where within 20 seconds you've harvested fresh honey. And that way you can harvest just a small amount of honey at a time, down to as simple as just one cassette or a few hundred grams, or you can harvest a whole frame any moment. And the best part is you don't have to remove the cappings, there's no need to filter the honey, and it only takes a minute to clean up afterwards.
Lids on, click, and go. Ready, set, ta-da!
Wow.
Oh my God, that's amazing.
I was comfortable in extracting honey in my kitchen, whereas traditionally I would not have even entertained that idea because of the amount of mess that is made when you're extracting honey.
An innovative, awesome product with a micro harvester to get the honey out easy is on its way. It's going to set the world on fire.
So we've been working on this for years and we're really excited to finally be bringing this to you through Kickstarter. Now's the time to get behind us and make a pledge or pre-order your micro honey harvester. You can do that by searching for Hivekeepers micro honey harvester on kickstarter.com. Thank you so much for supporting this great Australian company.